Now, shifting focus, politics over the Poonch attack continues to peak hours after the Congress party called the ambush a worrying trend of terror activities, particularly for the security personnel near the LOC. Former Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Channi has stoked a controversy. He has said that the recent terror attack on the IAF convoy in the Poonch region is a pre-election stunt by the BJP. He has also said that there's no truth in this attack and the Bharatiya Janata Party is playing with people's lives and bodies.
कि ये स्टंटबाजी हो रही है, हमले नहीं हो रहे। पिछली बार भी जब इलेक्शन आते हैं तो ऐसे स्टंट खेले जाते हैं और बीजेपी को जिताने का संविधान तैयार किया जाता है। ये तैयार किए हुए सारे पहले से तैयार करके हमले करवाए जाते हैं। ये बीजेपी को जिताने का एक स्टंट होता है, इसमें सच्चाई नहीं होती। लोग मरवाने और लोगों के लाशों पे खेलना ये बीजेपी को आता है।
Meanwhile, the Bharatiya Janata Party has hit back at Charanjit Channi, saying that the Congress always indulges in petty politics, and the statement reveals the Congress's mindset.
इससे घटिया मानसिकता कांग्रेस की और क्या हो कि जिन्होंने पहले तो अपने ही सेना के जवानों को सशक्त करने की बजाय, हथियार देने की बजाय, बुलेट प्रूफ जैकेट देने की बजाय, लड़ाकू विमान देने की बजाय 10 साल तक दलाली खाने का इंतजार किया। देखिए, जिसने भी ये टिप्पणी की है, मैं उनकी सोच और उनका दिवालियापन सोच का ये साफ नजर आता है। जो कुछ महीने के लिए मुख्यमंत्री बने हों और उसमें भी करप्शन चार्जेस के चलते ऊपर से नीचे तक घिरे हों, कांग्रेस के पास बचा था तो ऐसा ही कुछ बचा था।
Now, beyond this, security forces continue their search operations to track down more terrorists who ambushed Indian Air Force convoy. Here's the report.
Additional reinforcement is being sent to spots so that they can properly cordon that area, so that all the 3 terrorists responsible for this ambush are not able to flee from that place and mingle with population. We have seen that during the last few months, terrorists again and again had been trying to target our Braveheart. They had laid ambush earlier also in the month of April and then in the month of December. This time they targeted Indian Air Force officials, and after that area is being cordoned. Search operation is continuing. Comprehensive cordon and search operation is on, and you can see large number of Bravehearts moving towards that particular point. They are trying to encircle that area. They are trying to properly grow that place so that they can zero in on those terrorists. All the 3 terrorists are believed to be Pakistani, and they are said to be hiding somewhere in a forest belt inside natural cave hideout. And to flush them out of the cave hideout, you can see large number of army personnel. They are moving towards that area. They are trying to right now conduct proper operation. Already we have seen that besides Rashtriya Rifle, many other force personnel are also involved in this operation. Special operation group of police is also there, CRPF also there. You can see all this bulletproof vehicle. They are moving in their bulletproof vehicle because they know there are chances that the terrorists will once again try to come out of the forest belt and try to target them, so that there is no collateral damage. They are taking all sorts of precautionary measures because it's one of the most challenging and difficult terrain. It is not that easy moving in that area because one, there is a rugged terrain. Second, there is a dense forest cover. Third, there are natural caves. The web of natural cave is posing major threat for the forces, and that's one of the reasons that before darkness descent, they want to properly cordon that area. They want to plug all entry and exit points so that they are able to pin down terrorists at earliest.
And now